Hi guys, this is Brian from CMR Products, and I've seen some comments online about how to install the T-nuts into our modules. Today I'm going to do a little quick video on how we design these to set in. First off, these are self-cutting T-nuts, and they're set in with a 6mm Allen key. The holes are cut out to specifications to actually just get that sleeve in there, and if we made the holes any bigger, they're not going to actually grab whenever you try to run them up and down with your Allen wrench. So we're going to go ahead and set one of these in so you can see how it goes. $6mm Allen key. This one here I'm using a T-handle with. A little bit of pressure, straight downward, trying to keep the T-nut straight, and we just wind it in. Run them down until they're snug, and that's it. As you can see, the T-nut is set in perfectly flat with the edge. Good to go to run in your Allen screw. Let me grab one here. Most people run their Allen keys in with the Allen hole this way. We've actually designed ours so you can adjust them from the top, so they're actually more like a true tabletop module. Gotta get the thing to start here. As you heard the click, that was the threads kicking in. And as you can see, we can actually wind these in by hand. And now we can actually adjust these from the top of the module. Which is why the hole is cut in a little bit larger than the other manufacturers do. You can check out all these products online at cmrproducts.com.